Today, we're buzzing with excitement as we explore the latest innovation from Festo, the master in developing bionic flying objects, the ultra-light, delicately designed robotic bees, BionicBee. BionicBee is part of Festo's Bionic Learning Network blend, which is known for developing products inspired by nature. These bees can fly completely autonomously in large numbers as part of a swarm, thanks to their consistent lightweight construction, which offers good maneuverability and flight duration. The bee's body forms the compact housing for the beating wing mechanism, communication technology, control components for the wing beats, and adaptation of the wing geometry. A brushless motor, 3 servo motors, battery, gear unit, and various PCBs are installed in the tightest spaces. The intelligent interaction between the motors and mechanics means that the frequency of the wing beats can be precisely adjusted for various maneuvers. The wing beat frequency of the artificial BFLIs is between 15 and 20 Hz. The wings pounded at a 180-degree angle back and forth. The wings beat without backlash thanks to a mechanical architecture that is incredibly light and carefully led by the brushless motor. The frequency of the wing beats and lift increases with speed. An interior localization system using ultra-wideband UWB technology enables the bee's autonomous behavior. 8 UWB anchors are spread across 2 levels in the area, allowing the bees to arrange themselves in the area and precisely measure runtime. Each bee receives signals from the UWB anchors and determines its own position in space and measures distances to the transmitters. Due to each bee's handcrafted nature, even the slightest variations in manufacturing can impact flying patterns. The bees have an automatic calibration feature that allows each bee to identify its own optimal controller parameters following a brief test flight. This clever program can determine the hardware variations between individual bees, making it possible to externally control the entire swarm as if every bee were the same. That's it for today's video on Festo's BionicBee. These robotic bees are a marvel of innovation and technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.